Hello, and now I want to show you how to connect the device with your iPhone. Okay, uh, when you get the product and you need to check the device still have the power, and I think it's better for you to charge it for 1 hour, 2 hours. It's more better, right? Yeah. Okay, and the manual is all Chinese, so I removed the manual. So I just give you a QR code. So you scan the QR code, and then you can watch this video and use the video, and it's more. It's better for you to understand how to connect the device. Okay. Yes, and we need SIM card. Yes, and the pin. So I make sure this device still have power. Yeah. When I one press, it's blink, right? Okay. So you first make sure the device is power off, and then you insert the SIM card. Okay. Then turn on the device. If the device is turned on, then you put SIM card inside, and the device can't read your SIM card. So first you need to make sure the device is power off, and put SIM card inside, and then turn on the device. One long press this button. Okay, long press. Okay, the blue line blink. Blue, red, yeah. Okay, next step, you need to install one app. This app you can find it from App Store, right? Okay, the app name is SIM Plus, this one. I changed the language. It's support many language here, right? Okay. SIM Plus. I turn off the VPN and I can. Yes, SIM. Use this app. Okay, SIM Plus. This one. Okay. And this app. So you install this app. Then what you need to do is to turn on the Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth. Just turn on Bluetooth, and don't search the device in Bluetooth. Don't do it. Okay. Many customers turn on the device, then search the device here, and they can't find the device, or they find the device name here and click and want to connect, but it's don't do this. Okay, it's not like a earphone, you know. It's not connect here. You just turn on the Bluetooth, then you go back to the app, and here connection, and you make sure the device is still turned on, right? Yeah, it's still on, right? Okay, and there you search the device. It's not coming, right? It's not coming. So at this time, I think maybe some problems, and it's already show a device name here, and I also can connect it, right? Okay, so I turn off the device, turn off, and I close the app. But if you good luck, maybe first time you will find the device name and connect it. Not the same like me. You know, I'm just bad luck to make the video and have this problem. Yes, the Bluetooth turned on. and turn on the device again. Okay, it's blink, and then connection, searching device, press yes, it's coming, right? When I restart the device, it's coming. So if you have any problem, just restart the device, restart your iPhone, and try again. Maybe it solves the problems. Okay, and press this and connect, right? So the signal is shown here. So I already connected the device with my iPhone. Okay, and I just try to make a call.
登记的湖北省用户，您拨打的是广东联通客服热线，联通用户转接使用。
Yes. Yes. So it's connect, right? So at this step, everything is finished, and this device can work, and you just keep it with you. And so this is a video for how to use the device. I hope you can enjoy the device and have a nice day. Thank you.